After conducting numerous successful on-site training programs, Polymerupdate Academy has proudly completed yet another technical excellence program on basics, innovations, and latest trends in plastics compounding powered by Diyani Engineering. Led by industry experts Dr. Pradeep Bakshi and Mr. Sanjay Saxena. Dr. Pradeep Bakshi covered key aspects of machines, manufacturing processes, and materials used in compounding, offering deep technical insights into optimizing production and enhancing material properties. And Mr. Sanjay Saxena focused on testing methodologies, equipping participants with essential knowledge to evaluate material performance, quality standards, and compliance requirements. The program provided participants with in-depth knowledge of fundamental principles, cutting-edge innovations, and emerging trends in plastics compounding. The sessions were highly engaging, offering valuable insights into material selection, process optimization, and performance enhancements. The training also served as a valuable networking platform, bringing together professionals from various sectors of the plastics industry. All participants were certified by Polymerupdate Academy, further strengthening their expertise and professional credentials. Congratulations to all the participants. Stay tuned for more transformative learning experiences with Polymerupdate Academy. And join us at RACE, Plastics Recycling and Compounding Expo on 14th to 15th May 2025 at Bombay Exhibition Centre, Mumbai.